Hey guys.
Hey.
We were not. They told us to do a challenge a long time ago, but we totally forgot.
We were nominated.
We did other videos, but we didn't do this video
Yeah,
yet. It's called
like,
the Burping Challenge, and someone named the Hillsman 25.
Oh wait, I want to go back.
Yeah, shout out to the Hillsman 25 for telling us to do this challenge. And yeah, the thing is we have to rub each other's back for a whole minute, like one at a time, and we have to count how many times they burp, and who burps the most wins.
The Hillsman 25, yeah. Okay, so how's it go again? Because I've never heard of this challenge.
Neither have I.
But you know how it goes.
It's where you, okay, so it's where you would like rub their back for a whole minute. How many times they burp while I'm rubbing their back for the whole minute, I think.
Check it. That's why I had
Then
it
whoever
up.
burps the most wins.
Yep. Dude, her store, we're in her store now and it's creepy.
Yeah, right. I just scared her. Like, okay, so this is what happened. Sorry, I'm making this a really long intro, but so I was like smiling at her and I was just staring at her. I was like, you're gonna die. And so she turns around and the chair touches her.
No, because
So
I lightly touched the chair and it felt like a
She
finger.
screams and she throws a wrench at me.
It wasn't a wrench.
Well, a metal tool.
Yeah.
A metal tool at me, and it like went on glass. And I thought what are you doing? I have to see this. And the glass was like all funny and stuff.
Okay. Yeah. It was all funny. It was really funny because whenever I threw it, she thought I was gonna hit her, so she was like her hands up, like. First,
Okay, I have to get the clock out to set the alarm. 6 a.m., 8:45 a.m., 9 a.m. All of these are a.m.s except for 2.
For 10 minutes.
For 1 minute. Okay, ready?
Wait, okay, so
I'm not really.
I have to try to burp, right?
Yeah, I don't really know how you're supposed to rub it, but okay. Ready, set, go. I don't know how you rub backs.
Are you serious? I don't even know how you.
I don't know how to rub backs.
I can't burp. What the heck?
Come on.
That's not even a real rub. Like,
Is that?
I can't burp.
You have 40 seconds.
What if I puke?
Ew. And you'd clean it up. But then I'd help you. You have 30 seconds. I don't really know how to
This is hard. Why is this so hard?
Maybe because it's a challenge. 20 seconds. I need to crack my fingers. My arm hurts. 10 seconds.
Oh, come on.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was whack.
Did you get 0?
I got 1.
Oh, she got 1. I'm gonna get 0 because I already used my burp.
Okay, wait, let me get all your hair out of your way because it's so weird. Alright, ready, set, go.
Ow!
Should I do it like you did?
Oh my god, I didn't know. Sorry, oh my god.
Fall on the chair.
Okay.
Fall on the chair. Alright, ready. Just wait, I haven't started it yet.
It tickles. Oh.
You did?
I did not do that. What are you doing?
You just need to get one more. You got 38 seconds.
Oh, I gotta do this. It's so hard.
30 seconds.
Oh, dang it. It almost came out.
No, keep it in.
Then we'll just be tied.
20 seconds.
It's almost. Oh my god, it's almost there. Oh, I felt like I was gonna puke.
Time.
Try burping.
4,
Oh, I
3,
can't.
2, 1.
No.
You won that. I never burped at all.
You did it? Okay. I won.
So, should I do a dare? What should we do?
Okay. So, since I don't really know if that was how you do it, but I'm guessing that's how you do it. If it's not, then you just comment Hillsman25. Okay. So now I'm gonna give her a dare because she lost, which
she thought you actually believed I burped once. Like, I never burped.
Okay. So I'm gonna give her a dare. Now I can't pause it because I broke my phone. Sorry.
Well, actually, this is a really short video for us. Actually, it's only like 5 minutes long.
Whoa. Okay. All right. So your dare is to go all the way back.
No, I know
alone.
this is. Oh.
All the way back by the bathrooms alone.
No, I don't have to go in, right?
No
Don't
running
scare
at
me.
all.
No scary.
I won't. You have to walk all the way down there, all the way back. No running.
Okay. Can I do something with like? Wait, I want you to be like not by the lights. Okay. So don't be by the
Okay, I
lights.
won't be. Hey, I was taking a picture.
Oh.
You have to take it. You stick your tongue out like every picture.
I know. That's my thing. Okay.
I'll just wait here and watch you. Like seriously, right by the black thing, because you have to be back there.
Oh God. No making scary noises. Not doing anything.
Well, actually,
That's why I have to walk in.
all the way back to that.
Do I have to touch the brick thing?
Oh, what were they?
I don't know. The brick.
Yeah, all the way back. You have to go behind the wall to the bathroom.
No, I'd rather do anything else.
Yeah. Something gets you to scream. You cannot run though. Go. I'll be back here.
I'm sorry, I'm really creeped out. I can't do this 300. Don't do that. I can't. I'll do anything else. I would do anything else.
Fine. You have to go upstairs alone.
I mean, like not anything scary though, because I'll pee my pants or something. Something.
That's disgusting. Okay, fine.
I would chug one of these.
Gross. That's old. You would probably get sick.
Well, I'd rather do that to get really scared.
This is Coke from like the
Am I going
1900s. Look at that. No, you're not going to. You'll get sick.
Bottle.
I'm not gonna get you sick.
Okay,
we have to
so-
hang out sometime.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Okay. I dare you
Are we?
to run across the road. Oh crap! It's moist. Run across the road, yelling, and then run back screaming it.
Again?
Yep.
I have to
No,
hold it?
wait, no. I love. No. Penis. No. I'm a girl undercover.
I'm a
No, I'm a guy. I'm a guy. Alright, go.
right now. I'm gonna do it over here. I can't. I know those people.
So?
That's creepy.
Fine, after they
Let's
walk
redo
by.
this one video.
After they walk by.
Use a
Hi.
hi.
Yes.
Over here.
Woo!
Okay. Can I just go up and down this road right here? Can I do that road?
No.
Fucking butt cheeks.
Back and forth.
Alright, ready? Sorry, this is taking me so long.
You're like, I just freaking pissed. At least you didn't say Kirsten. Go!
I can't do it now because I'm scared of the car.
You got
I'm a boy undercover! Wait, I'm a girl undercover! How did you say it? Like, I'm a boy undercover? Like, how did you say it? Alright, ready? I'm a boy! Is this freaking embarrassing?
Sorry, I couldn't think of anything else. I would have done something else that was worse, but you know, she is a girl.
Yeah, I am, girl.
Okay. Well, peace out. Whoa. We're gonna do another video sometime, so peace. Bye. Remember, say yums, now say lousy. Lousy, no.
Oh wow, now I burp.
I pushed her up the tank. Accidentally, I'm sorry.
Alright, well.
Alright.
Peace, guys.
Peace out. Bye.